Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you through PowerPoint, and the former video we had terminologies used in PowerPoint. So I first showed you the terminologies so that when I'm applying the PowerPoint you are able to know what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to do application of PowerPoint. How do we use PowerPoint? How do we interact with it? So I'm going to show you today. And so to begin with, let me open my PowerPoint presentation that I'm going to use. And already there is some work I prepared that I'm going to use. So to begin with is my introduction, and it's always in the first page. So this is my picture, that's me, and then I'm going to be talking about environment, and then those are my names, those are my titles, that's my number, and that's my email. So next I'm going to be showing you how my presentation is going to flow from what I'm going to start with and up to the end. And you've seen this in most of the presentations where they print out the order of the whole ceremony, or so that you can follow after this person is next. So this is going to be the order of my presentation. To begin with was my introduction. You saw my names, my number, and how I look like. We shall have the definition of environment. We shall talk about conservation of the environment, its degradation, importance of conservation. We shall conclude and then go to Q&A, which is the question and answer session. So to begin with is the definition of environment. Environment refers to man and his surrounding. And his surrounding includes a lot of things like trees, houses, animals. We have water bodies and so many other things. When you look at yourself and then try to see whatever is in your surrounding, what surrounds you, that's your environment, and that's the actual definition of environment. So we see degradation. Degradation is lowering the quality of the environment. So we see how to degrade. So this is how you may be doing it and you don't know that you're doing it. Once you start to drain swamps, you're degrading the environment, you're lowering its quality, and that's what we don't want. Deforestation, that's cutting down of trees. Once you start to cut down trees massively and you're not replacing, that's deforestation, and that's degradation. Bush burning, many people do bush burning as an easy way of slashing other bushes so that they can maybe grow crops or build houses. So when you burn the bush, you're polluting the air because that smoke goes off, and that's degrading still the environment. Then poor disposal of chemicals, especially untreated chemicals, they really spoil the land or the soil. And when the soil is spoiled, when you grow your crops there, the produce will not be good. So just like in these pictures, all this road was constructed after they had cut down either trees, or if there was a water body, it was destroyed, or if it was a swamp, it was drained. And that's what I'm trying to talk about, degrading the environment. We degrade the environment for so many reasons, like constructing houses, constructing roads, putting up industries, or generally settlement. That's the main cause. And also business stuff like setting up industries, putting up big shops. So just like these roads, these houses, it was all due to degradation that they were put there. So we should go to conservation. Degradation is the opposite of conservation, because degradation is spoiling, but conservation is trying to put back, trying to keep it the way it's meant to be. So some of the ways you do agroforestry, well, as you're doing your agriculture, please plant some trees. Then reforestation is when you cut down trees, replant. And then afforestation is just that you're going to plant trees where they've never existed, just to conserve the environment. And then avoid bush burning. This really pollutes the air. So you see how environment looks like when it's nice, and when it's conserved, it looks really beautiful. So please carry out conservation. And then we have swamp reclamation. Avoid it. Avoid swamp reclamation. And then we have importance of the conservation. What is the importance of us conserving the environment? It makes the environment beautiful. Just see these pictures, how the environment looks beautiful when it's not destroyed. Then makes the environment clean, because you see, when you conserve the environment, there are many organisms within the environment. Some of them recycle the wastes, and in the due course of recycling the wastes, they are cleaning it. Then also serves the life of other animals, especially the wild animals, and also those that live in swamps like the mudfish. So when you keep those things intact, you save their lives. Then also improves the quality of the harvest. I talked about chemicals and degradation. When you poorly dispose the chemicals, you're going to make the soil bad, and then the produce will not be good. So let's see what next. So this is conclusion. We come to a conclusion finally. So conclusively, I would urge all of you to find means. Please find means as you try to go with modernity or cope up with modernity, trying to grow artificial, trying to change into the artificial ways. Please embrace conservation of the environment. Grow with modernity, but make sure the environment is also kept conserved. And so we go to the last session, and that's none other than the Q&A question. So you're going to give me your questions and I'll give you the answers. So this is Q&A question, so I'll be listening to the audience to give me their questions and I'll give them answers. Generally, this is how the presentation of PowerPoint should be. Present, introduce yourself, define all that you're going to talk about, tell the people or try to convince them, and then give them chance to give you the feedback. This helps you to know if they've understood or if they know what you're talking about, so that they can, this really makes the communication easy. So this helps them to be that they have understood, or even apply what you've said to them, or even give you better ideas. That's the importance of Q&A. They will react, they'll give you questions, and you answer. In this way, you'll be sharing ideas. You never know, you may also get to know something that you didn't know. So that's all for today. That's all about the application of PowerPoint, and this is just like presentation. It's really so simple and it's really interesting. I guess you've all seen how it was so easy. So that's it, and until next time, thank you for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to view the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and also keep on sharing the link to the rest of the people. So that's for today. Thank you for viewing, and until next time, bye bye.